and welcome to Grace Tutorial. Friends, have you ever considered why is listening very important? You know, listening shows caring attitude. When you show the caring attitude towards another person, you make the other person feel important. When he or she feels important, what happens? He is more receptive towards your ideas, as well as he is more motivated. So that a good listening brings people close together, solidifies relationships, and avoids all types of misunderstandings. So if you listen to your teachers, your parents, your elders very carefully, then definitely you are going to get some message from them. Thank you very much for watching. If you do like, please share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.